Good Sunday and welcome to another Sunday Clinch Check, short 60 seconds to a better clinch check with your host, Dr. David Galler. Now, today we're taking a look at a case that's in additional aligners refinements, and we can see that we have picked up what we call a posterior open bite here on the first molars on the left-hand side. Now, whenever we have a posterior open bite, we got to figure out how did we get the posterior open bite. In order to do that, we got to go back and look at the original clinch check. So I'm going to open up the clinch check here. This is where we started on the left-hand side, and this is where we are now. Now, there are 4 reasons why a case can end in a posterior open bite. In order to solve the posterior open bite, you got to figure out how did it get there. And in this case, if you watch these molars here on the left-hand side, you can see that they are expanding out. And although it looks like they perfectly translate out nicely here, in reality, instead of those molars translating, they wound up tipping. When clear aligners try to translate a molar, very often instead of translating it, they tip it, and that creates a posterior open bite. Word to the wise, be very careful if you're going to translate molars. This has been Sunday Clinch Check, short 60 seconds to a better clinch check. I am your host, Dr. David Galler.